Tissot PR516 chronograph is a modern take on the 1970 classic, featuring a 40mm stainless steel case and dynamic dial layout. Powered by the precise quartz power drive movement, it's sure to keep time in the most accurate way possible. And it includes a tachymeter bezel and super luminova coated indices for exceptional visibility. The versatile design is complemented by a domed stainless steel bracelet with a quick change system, ideal for both business and casual settings. This watch seamlessly blends contemporary style with Tissot's heritage. If you want a much deeper nod to a timeless classic, the fully mechanical version is the right chronograph for you. Crafted with a 41mm stainless steel case and a glassbox-style sapphire crystal, this watch is a testament to sophisticated craftsmanship. Tissot introduces the Valjoux A05.291 movement in the new PR516 chronograph mechanical, representing Tissot's high-end offering. Based on the Valjoux 7753 caliber, this manual winding variant ensures precision and durability. Modified specifically for the PR516, it features a new decorated bridge inscribed with Tissot 1853. This also brings a much more subtle styling with its all-brushed bracelet and matte finished dial, perfect for that professional tool watch appeal. Whether it's the super accurate quartz caliber or the tried-and-true experience of the mechanical movement, you can wear your heritage with the Tissot PR516. Get the very best Swiss watches only here at Shiva's.